Hey folks, how you all doing? Hope you're all doing well. I'm running away from the rain. See it? Well, don't know if you'll be able to see it on the camera. Low cloud, I think. It must be some clouds that are getting through. Yeah, my chain's really rusted. I won't mind. It was only a couple of weeks before the last time me and Sanjay went out, which was literally about, so I'm talking about a month and a half. I completely covered it with grease, and yeah, it's been sat outside and stuff, but I'll order a new one. Hope you can see, bloody, it said it wasn't going to rain till nearly 6 o'clock. Only 1:30 now, it's coming in. Looks clear over there, head down there. Here we go again. Yeah, I just really needed to get out. I actually feel like it's such a help with your mental health having a bike. It really is. I don't have any mental health woes, by the way. Take it easy. But you know, for me personally, even though if there's something on my mind that's getting on my nerves that I've got no control over, you know, it just chills me out that little bit. Calm down. Yeah, it really does. It just helps. Oh my days. Why do I believe my weather app? Didn't say anything about. Oh, it's that fine rain as well. Stings the crap out your face. I know I complain about it, but I'd rather be out doing this at this moment in time. See, it's past now. Yes, excellent. Another vehicle coming. Many vehicles. I think in the dry I never experienced this many vehicles. What a crappy day for it to be Valentine's Day. They need to move it to summer Valentine's Day, in my opinion. So you've at least got a chance of going out somewhere and the weather's going to be decent. A guy messaged me, said he, sorry dude, I forgot your name. He said he'd been, I think it was on Saturday, I think it was, saying he'd watched like about 20 of my videos in a row, and there's him and a few of his friends. They're contemplating getting one of these bikes, and part of that reason is because of my videos, and I'm like, super blown away, I really am. Do you know? I said, oh god, see, them grids, not good. Especially with these tyres. I started this channel, I forgot about that bit, because at some point, like all things in life, you've got to give your hobbies up, because you get old and things happen, and I wanted something that when that time comes, because it's not a matter of if, it's when. Yes, it's nice and full. I can kick back and just, you know, watch the videos, watch the fun that we've all had. that's really why I started it. The fact that I get subscribers, and I appreciate, and honestly when I say this hand on heart, I love you all, I really do. That's just a massive bonus, so thank you to each and every single one of you. I really appreciate you subscribing and commenting, I really do. Still not seen a biker. Oh, I'm just having one of them days. Said in my earlier video, just want to ride alone. It's nothing personal against anybody. Said if you watch one of the early videos I've done, you all know why. Highly don't want to see the tower today. Oh, bloody Nora. It's like having sand blasted into your face. It really is. Oh, sorry, give you what I keep forgetting. There. Can I see the tower? No. I don't think you can see it till you get round there anyways. Hi. Wow, look how waterlogged it is up there. That just shows how much rain we've been having. God, you can hardly see the towers. All see that on the camera because of the clouds. Crazy. Sunshine. That's been in short supply this past few weeks. Really has. Oh, actually, I think it's been sunny over the weekend, but very cold. Yeah, it has. But it's like a leaking tap. 1 minute it's raining, then it's not. Then it is, then it's not. It's just been absolutely dreadful. I don't know, like, what some of you folks are. Hope you're having better weather than us. I don't know. Oh, rainbow. It's landed right there. And now it's gone again. Don't know if the camera would have caught that. Anyways, folks, I'm going to end it here. And as per usual, thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And as per usual, folks, take care of yourselves and each other. Bye now.